Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm your host Vikas Chandra. Let's get into your reading for the month of August 2021 for Sun, Moon, Rasi, Venus and Jupiter signs for the sign of Sagittarius. Okay, so this would be your situation. So it goes like situation, current path, alternate path, psychological basis, karma. All the timestamps are below in the description box. So let's start facing up the cards and see what we have. We got Ace of Wands, the Sun, Major Arcana, Four of Discs, Power, Knight of Wands, Princess of Swords, Adjustment, Major Arcana, Abundance, the Hangman, Major Arcana, Art, Major Arcana, Swiftness, the Chariot, Major Arcana, Dominion, Prince of Swords, Court card, the Universe, Major Arcana, and Oppression. So we can start with the reading, guys. Hello guys, welcome back. So there are 6 major arcanas, and so I feel like 6 might be significant for you. At the same time, I'm feeling the numbers between 5 and 6, the decimal numbers from 5 to 6, like 5.1, 5.2, like that. In between 5 and 6 also the numbers are significant, but majorly I'm feeling any of these both, numbers between 5 to 6, that is 5.1 to 5.9, or equal to 6. So 6 number is significant, or the numbers between 5 and 6. Okay, like 5.5 also is significant, like that. Okay, so watch out for that. In this situation, we got the Sun, Major Arcana, Ace of Wands, and the Power, Four of Discs. So as I said, 6 major arcanas, and we got 1 major arcana in the situation, that is the Sun. But starting with the center of the reading, which is Ace of Wands, it is saying new beginnings are going to start, in your career, in your life that you are very passionate about. New beginnings are going to start, and there is an opportunity where you can start something new with regards to your passion. Okay, and with the Sun card, you can be very happy about this. You can make money, you can influence other people very positively, and your business is going to grow, especially for people who are into business and doing something that they are passionate about. A new start with regards to that is going to happen. Opportunity is going to come, and you can do this at your home only with the Four of Discs, and which is Power. You have all the tools and necessities that is required to do at home itself. So that's the situation right now, Sagittarius. Let's look into the current path where you're going. Knight of Wands, which is a court card, the Hangman, Major Arcana, and Dominion, Two of Wands. So again, you're looking at your actions. Basically, you're focusing on yourself, you're focusing on where you're going, you're focusing on your actions. Okay, and you're doing with a purpose. Whatever you're doing, you're analyzing a lot and then taking decision. And I feel like before doing the step, you're definitely watching out where you're going. Okay, that is the current path. And with the Hanged Man, you're doing step by step. You're moving forward, you're waiting, again you're analyzing, moving forward, waiting, analyzing, moving forward, and you're doing this repeatedly. At the same time, you're hoping for new things to happen while you're doing this. You're definitely moving forward in a direction where you're expecting new things to happen at the same time and learn something new. You're open to learning as well. That's what we have in the current path. In the alternate path, we have Prince of Swords, court card, Art, Major Arcana, Princess of Swords, which is court card. So exactly in the center of the reading, in the pile of the alternate path, we have Art, which is Major Arcana. I'll come back to that. Let's go in a sequence. With the Princess of Swords, universe is saying, you're doing absolutely right. You're moving forward. But with the Knight of Wands energy, convert to the Prince of Swords energy, meaning that you're analyzing and then moving forward. But that analyzing is coming from what you have experienced in the past. Okay, it's really hard to explain because Princess of Swords also carries something that happened in the past to analyze. But Knight of Wands is more of that fire energy. Universe is saying, you're moving and you're ready to move faster. Okay, so universe is saying, do exactly the same thing, but try to decrease the pace where you're going and try to utilize your mind in order to move a lot. So with the Wands energy is a lot of fast movement with the Knight and fire energy with the Wands. But Prince of Sword is like slow movement, a little bit slow because it's not a horse. At the same time, it is utilizing the mind. At the same time, you can see Prince of Swords, it is not riding by itself. Of course, with the Knight, it is using the horse and riding, but you can take help from other people as well below you and then move forward with them. So open to working with others. With the Prince of Swords, is people over there who are riding them. And with the Art, be more creative at the same time. Mix things up. Don't necessarily follow the same pattern all the time. Try to mix here and there, be creative, and try to put in your own creativity into that. So mix things up with the Art card, and don't be afraid to mix things up. Sometimes it's gonna be looking a little off, but make sure you create something that looks amazing as perfect. Okay, so even though it is little not conventional, try to mix things up and make it look perfect. Try to be creative. With the Princess of Swords, just show who you are and what you want to express. Be the true version of yourself while doing that as well. Be creative, but be true to yourself. Do the things that you like and how you want to show. Don't necessarily do the things that people expect, but do the things that you like and how you want to show. Okay, that's the alternate path. And in the psychological basis, we have the Universe Major Arcana, Swiftness 8 of Wands, and Adjustment Major Arcana. Two major arcanas side by side, coming with the swiftness in the middle. So heavy energy in the background, lot of heavy energy. As I said, with the Adjustment card, similarly, a lot of analyzing is happening. Okay, with the Adjustment, you are deciding. This is the Justice card, Libra. You're deciding a lot. You're utilizing your mind to make decisions. You're very good at making decisions also. So in the background, a lot of thinking in every direction. Okay, you're open to thinking in every direction and then making decisions. And universe is trying to bring in the opportunities and knowledge for you to start thinking like that. Okay, so that's the situation right now. You're also doing something a little unconventional. So not conventionally, you're open to do something unconventionally. So yeah, like if people are thinking like a forward direction, you're also you're open to thinking in a backward direction as well. So that's something I'm looking at, because you want to create this creativity. You want to flourish some kind of creativity and see how it goes on, how it appears, that kind of thing. So that's what is happening in the background. In the karma, we got Abundance 3 of Cups, the Chariot, Major Arcana, and Operation 10 of Wands. So with the abundance card, a lot of abundance is going to come, especially if you're going to collaborate with people, because 3 is a number of collaboration. And also celebration. You need to celebrate with people, you need to collaborate with them and stuff like that. So then you can see abundance is going to come, because your emotions are going to flow, and that free flowing of emotions will happen. And that's what you'll realize as the month goes on with the karma here. And definitely you're going to move to that direction with the Chariot card, because now you analyzed what universe is trying to say, what the situation is like. Then you're going to move forward. So either current or alternate path, I feel like the karma kind of remains the same, but it all depends the abundance, how much abundant you're going to get. It's all about collaborating and being more creative, and let that flow of your emotions flow freely. Don't restrict yourself, don't do things that other people expect. Do the things that you like. At the same time, be creative, like that. Show your creativity, natural creativity. And with the 10 of Wands energy, which is oppression, I feel like don't take it as a burden, because every time when we are doing creative, there's a lot of energy required, and because of that we feel it's a burden. Since a lot of energy is required, it's not necessarily a burden, because it all depends on the perception, how you perceive it. So when you're getting something good out of it, something very abundant out of it, then it's not necessarily a burden. It's like something like an investment that you have to in order to fulfill your desire and go after it. It's just a medium. So look after something that you need to carry along with you as a medium to achieve this abundance. Okay, look it in that way. It's all about the perception. I feel like that is the karma right now. Some kind of realization is happening about your movement, about your abundance, and about the hard work with the oppression card. That's all I have for you, Sagittarius. Also check out your Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus and Jupiter signs for in-depth readings and narrow down your perspective, narrow down your energies and messages. If you like to get a personal reading from me, feel free to contact me. My personal details are mentioned there with my phone number and social media links. You can connect with me like that. My services are also displayed over there in the business card. I offer services for tarot reading, astrological reading, life coaching and daily readings, along with my price ranges respectively. Until then, I'll catch you guys the next one. Thank you guys for so much support. Thanks for watching. Thank you.